Hi everybody, so I'm back after a long time. Today I'm going to share a recipe on how to make tomato chutney. Let me just quickly go through the ingredients for you. We need one large onion, chop it up like this. Then we need pieces of ginger and garlic. Take about 1 inch of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. Next, we need some tamarind, about the size of a marble. The next thing is jaggery, which is a sweetening agent. We need about 1 tablespoon of it. Then we need some dry chilies. These are the round ones, and if you can't find these, you can just use the regular dry chili. Moving on, we need tomatoes, of course. Here we are using 4 large tomatoes. Chop them up like this. These are the tadka seeds, also known as tamarind seeds. They actually come mixed in a package like this. You can get them at any Indian grocery store. And the last 2 ingredients are, of course, oil and salt. Now let's start. We are going to be using a non-stick pot here, which is why we don't want to heat it up dry, which is why we pour the oil first and then turn the heat on. This will prevent damaging the coating of the pot. After the oil heats up a little, add the tadka seeds, then followed by the ginger and garlic pieces. Then add the onion and dry chilies as well. Mix everything well. Now that the onion has turned slightly brownish, that's our cue to add the tomatoes. After mixing them all, add the tamarind. Then add salt to taste. Give them a good mix. Finally, add the jaggery and turn the fire off. The jaggery will melt in the remaining heat. All you have to do is mix it one last time and it's done. You can leave everything in the pot to cool down, but we are transferring them all to the grinder so it cools faster. Remember, do not grind hot ingredients. Why are we doing this? It's because hot food items can create too much of pressure due to all that steam, and this can cause the grinder to blow the lid off while it's grinding. So allow them to cool first. Grind them with small intervals like this so you don't overdo it and get the right texture. Once that's done, just transfer everything to a container to serve. You can eat it with dosa or idli and even some vada. That's actually my plate. I had it with idli. So that's it for today, and I hope that you find my video helpful. Oh, also please subscribe to my channel and like and share my video to your friends and family. Thank you for dropping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.